Hello friends, welcome to NUniverse 22. In this video, we will discuss the numerical that is based on Pascal law. So firstly, I read the statement of the numerical. The diameter of ram and plunger of an hydraulic press are 200 mm and 30 mm respectively. Find the weight lifted by hydraulic press when the force applied at the plunger is 400 Newton. So as we know, hydraulic press, this is the application of Pascal law, and there are two diameters are given. One is larger diameter, another is smaller diameter. Larger diameter is the diameter of ram and smaller diameter is the diameter of plunger. So now we need to find the weight lifted by hydraulic press. So as the name suggests, hydraulic press, so it uses some fluid medium for doing its works. When force applied at the plunger is 400 Newton. So the force applied at plunger that is given, that is 400 Newton. So firstly, we try to plot a diagram on the basis of given statement. So it is the diagram as we can see, and this is the plunger, and here the force on the plunger that is given, that is 400 Newton, and the diameter of plunger, that is the smaller diameter, so that is small d, that is equal to, this is given 30 mm. So it becomes, that is 0.03 meter, and this is the ram on which weight is mounted, we need to lift up, and this is the larger diameter here, that is denoted by capital D, and it is 200 mm. So that is equal to 0.2 meter, and this is the fluid that is acting in the hydraulic press. We can say this is a liquid. So now we try to solve this numerical, and firstly write the given variables. Solution. Diameter of ram, that is capital D, that is 200 mm, so that is equal to 0.2 meter. Next is diameter of plunger, that is small d, 30 mm, 0.03 meter. Next is force on plunger, that is 400 Newton, that is given, that is equal to F. So from here we need to find out the value of W. This is the weight lifted by ram. We need to find out this value. So firstly we need to get the area of both plunger and ram. So now area of plunger, that is small a, pi by 4 small d square, pi by 4 small d, that is equal to 0.03 whole square, and after making calculation we get 7.068 into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter square. So this is the area of plunger. Now area of ram, that is capital A, equal to pi by 4 D square, D capital D is the diameter of ram, that is 0.2 meter. So substitute the value of diameter of ram in this formula, pi by 4 into 0.2 whole square. So that is, after making calculation, we get 0.0314 meter square. So both the areas we have find out. Now intensity of pressure due to plunger. So the intensity of pressure due to plunger, that is, this is the small p, because it is gives in downward direction, intensity of pressure. So here write intensity of pressure due to plunger. So that is denoted by small p equal to force upon area of plunger, and force on plunger that is given, this is 400 Newton. So that is 400 divided by area we have already calculated, that is 7.068 10 raised to power minus 4. So that is 7.068 into 10 raised to power minus 4. So finally this is equal to 5.66 into 10 raised to power 5 Newton per meter square. So as we know this whole arrangement, that working on the Pascal law, so on the basis of Pascal law we can say since the intensity of pressure will be equally transmitted, that is due to Pascal's law, therefore the intensity of pressure at the ram is also equal to P, that is same as that of plunger. So that is 5.66 into 10 raised to power 5 Newton per meter square. So here this is acting in upward direction, that is the P. So now we need to find the, and as we know the intensity of pressure at ram, intensity pressure that is at the ram equal to weight upon area of ram, that is W upon A, and this value, this is equal to 5.66 into 10 raised to power 5 equal to W upon A, that we have already calculated, that is 0.0314. 0.0314. So from here W, that is equal to 0.0314 into 5.66 into 10 raised to power 5. So finally that W, this is equal to 17.77 into 10 raised to power 3 Newton, or we can say that is 17.77 kilo Newton. So this is the value, that is the weight that is lifted by the hydraulic press. So friends, in this video we have learned how to solve the numerical that is from Pascal law. If you like this video, please share with your friends and students. Don't forget to subscribe N Universe 22. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.